this video, I'm going to be trading supply and demand combined with candlestick psychology, price action, and I want to see how well I can increase my balance by using candlestick psychology combined with supply and demand. I know this strategy is a very good, useful strategy. It's one of my favorite, and I'm going to be showcasing everything step by step. Let's find some opportunity right now. I'm expecting a rejection here, guys. Let me show you the reason why that is. I was just scrolling in the market and I spot this trade. It's so satisfying. Now, guys, you see that this is where entry come into the game. My entry should have been inside the zone. It's outside. You see that? So this can cause losing trades also. Alright, well, let's see what's gonna happen. For those who are new, the zone is usually an engulfing candle, and then I look for it to reject. See that? Reject right at my zone, guys. See that? Okay, let's find another opportunity. Oh, this trade here is so fantastic. Let me explain it real quick. This one is magnificent. It was just right on time. See that? The engulfing candle. This candle close comes inside it, and I'm expecting a rejection outside of the zone. Let's see if this trade is going to be a winning trade, and let's see if my prediction is correct. Come on now. Come on now. See that, guys? It seems as if my prediction is in fact correct. See that? See the price reject from my zone? Beautiful. Let's find another opportunity. I'm gonna take this trade here, but I don't have much confidence in it, guys, because if you see the zone right here, you could see that there was some form of rejection and this candle here. So I think this level here, it's consumed, so the price might just continue going higher and break past it. Okay, let's see. Yeah, that's what I thought. I already saw this level was garbage. It's okay. That's how it is sometimes. Hey guys, see that this one right here? Remember, engulfing candle. I'm expecting a rejection for price to come back down inside here. Let's see what's gonna happen. Come on now. Come on. Beautiful. Okay. Alright guys, I took 3 right here. I don't have enough seconds to explain it, but I will try my best. I'm expecting price to come downward because I could see that this supply right here is strong. So let's see what's gonna happen. Okay, I'm getting the rejection I want. Let me see if I could mark it more better for the new people. Okay, to the zone, and the price rejects from the zone. You see that? Clear as day. Alright. Yeah, taking that right there, guys. Let me show you the philosophy behind this one now. So right here, you see, this is a very beautiful market. I could see that there is a lot of rejection on these candles. So this means rejection trading is very good in this market. So price can go downward from here. So I'm expecting the rejection from this area, and then perhaps price will come down here and then it comes back up. But for now, I'm expecting the rejection here. So let's see what's gonna happen if I'm gonna get the rejection. Beautiful, guys. You see that sniper entry, guys? You see that? Sniper entry. That's what I'm talking about. This is trading, guys. Come on now. This thing can't be makeup, guys. This is live in front of your eyes. What happened? The laptop froze right there, guys. Anyway, let's find another opportunity. The reason why I took this, I could see the confident rejection from these candles here previously. So I know this candle might have a rejection. This is called sequence of the market, okay? And you see the demand area. So when I add all these confluences, I can expect price to go higher. See that? That was a winning trade while I was explaining everything. If you want to learn about indicator strategies, you can watch this video on the screen right here.